Have you ever wondered how we measure wealth? Is it simply a matter of counting dollars and cents? Or is there more to it? Well, let's dive into this intriguing topic. Wealth, a term often thrown around but rarely dissected. It's not just about the money in your bank account or the car in your driveway. It goes beyond that. It's a measure of resources, yes, but also of opportunities and freedom. We often hear stories of people climbing from rags to riches. But what does it mean to be rich? Is it owning a mansion in Beverly Hills or a private jet? Or is it the ability to live comfortably without worrying about the next paycheck? The answer varies based on your perspective, your goals, and your values. There are different levels of wealth, each with its own unique characteristics and implications. But to truly comprehend the essence of wealth, we must first define it. So let's embark on this journey of understanding the complex layers of wealth. To understand wealth, we must first define it. Wealth isn't just about the money in the bank. It's a measure of the overall value of all the possessions of worth you have. In our everyday conversations, wealth is often reduced to a simple dollar amount. But it's so much more than that. It's a broader, more encompassing term that represents your overall net worth. And what is net worth, you ask? Imagine you decided to sell everything you own, your house, your car, your jewelry, your stocks, and subtract from this amount any debts or loans you owe. The amount you're left with is your net worth. It's a snapshot of your financial health at a given moment. Now, let's broaden our horizon a bit more. Wealth can come in many forms. It's not just tangible assets like real estate or personal property. It can also be your investments, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, retirement accounts. Even the knowledge and skills you possess, which allow you to generate income, can be considered part of your wealth. Think of wealth as a tree. The money in your bank account is just the fruit it bears. The trunk and the branches, however, represent your assets and investments. They are the structures that support and generate the fruit. The roots, often unseen but vitally important, symbolize your skills and knowledge. They ground the tree and ensure its continued growth and survival. Wealth also includes future financial security. This is the part of your wealth that will sustain you in your later years or help your children get a good start in life. It's the part of your wealth that you're not using now, but will come to rely on in the future. So when we talk about wealth, we're talking about the whole tree, not just the fruit it bears. We're talking about the total value of all your assets, your investments, and your potential for future income. Clearly, wealth is more than just dollar signs. Now let's delve into its different levels. The first level of wealth is financial stability. This is where your income covers your expenses with a little left over for savings. Now, financial stability might not sound too glamorous, but it's the backbone of wealth creation. It's a state where you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Instead, you have a buffer, a safety net that allows you to withstand financial storms. But how do you achieve financial stability? It starts with living within your means. This is a concept that goes beyond just avoiding debt. It's about creating a lifestyle that is supported by your income. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs and making wise decisions accordingly. Let's break it down a bit. Imagine a scale. On one side, we have income, and on the other, expenses. When income outweighs expenses, you're building wealth. If the scale tips the other way, you're heading towards financial instability. This balance is key to financial stability. Now, don't get me wrong. This isn't about penny pinching or denying yourself life's pleasures. It's about making conscious choices. It's about prioritizing your financial health over immediate gratification. It's about understanding that every dollar saved is a step towards financial freedom. In this level of wealth, you're also able to start saving. This could be for emergencies, for future investments, or for life goals. The act of saving is a powerful one. It's a testament to your discipline and commitment to your financial well-being. Moreover, financial stability allows you to start investing. Even if it's just a small amount, it's a step in the right direction. Investments are the seeds that grow into the tree of wealth. Remember, financial stability is not the end goal. It's the first step. It's the foundation on which you can build your wealth. It's the launch pad that propels you towards the next level of wealth. Financial stability is the foundation of wealth, but there's more to it. The second level of wealth is financial security. Here, you have enough savings and investments to cover basic living expenses for the foreseeable future. Now let's dive deeper into this. At this level, you're not only able to cover your monthly bills, but you also have a safety net tucked away. You've managed to accumulate a nest egg, perhaps through disciplined saving, smart investing, or a combination of both. This nest egg can cover essential expenses like food, shelter, utilities, and healthcare for a significant period, even if your regular income were to disappear suddenly. But what does it mean to have financial security? It means freedom. Freedom from the constant worry of living paycheck to paycheck. It's the comfort of knowing that you can handle unexpected expenses, like a car repair or a medical bill, without going into debt. It's the peace of mind that comes with knowing that you're prepared for life's uncertainties. And yet, financial security is more than just having a safety net. It also means having the ability to invest in your future. Maybe that's furthering your education, starting a business, or even buying a home. Investments like these can lead to increased earning potential, which in turn can lead to greater levels of wealth. But how do you achieve financial security? It starts with setting clear financial goals and working towards them. It involves living within your means, saving diligently, and investing wisely. It requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to learning about personal finance. Yet, it's important to remember that financial security doesn't mean you've reached the pinnacle of wealth. It's a significant milestone, yes, but there's still room for growth. There are still higher levels of wealth to aspire to, levels that offer even greater financial freedom and opportunities. So where do you go from here? The journey towards wealth continues and the next level awaits. This next level goes beyond merely surviving or securing your present. It's about thriving and shaping your future. It's about achieving financial independence. Financial security is a step up from stability, but there's still another level to reach. The third level of wealth is financial independence. At this level, your investments generate enough income to cover your lifestyle without needing to work. Now, we're getting into the territory where money starts to work for you. You've laid the groundwork, you've saved, you've invested, and now you're reaping the rewards. Your assets are generating a steady stream of income, often referred to as passive income. This isn't money that you have to work for, it's money that your investments are working to create for you. But what does financial independence really mean? It's not just about having a lot of money or being able to buy whatever you want. It's about freedom. Freedom from the need to work to survive. Freedom to choose how you spend your time. Freedom to pursue your passions, to travel, to spend time with loved ones, or to just relax and enjoy life. Imagine waking up every morning and knowing that you don't have to go to work. Not because you're unemployed, but because you've reached a point where your investments are taking care of you. You're not dependent on a paycheck. You're not living paycheck to paycheck, wondering if you'll have enough to cover your bills. Your investments are doing that for you. This level of wealth isn't just about financial freedom. It's about emotional freedom as well. It's about no longer having the stress and worry about money that so many people carry around with them. It's about having the peace of mind knowing that you're secure, that you're taken care of, that you have options. Reaching the third level of wealth requires patience, discipline, and smart investing. It's not something that happens overnight, but it's definitely achievable. And once you reach this level, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Financial independence is the dream for many, but there's one more level of wealth. The fourth level of wealth is financial abundance. This is where you have more wealth than you need to live your desired lifestyle. It's about having funds that go beyond meeting your basic needs and wants. It's a level of wealth where your money works for you rather than you working for your money. Financial abundance is a state where your wealth self-perpetuates. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, growing bigger and faster with every turn. Your investments generate income, your assets appreciate, and your wealth compounds. You no longer need to trade your time for money. Instead, your wealth provides you with the freedom to spend your time as you wish. This level of wealth opens up a world of opportunities. It allows you to explore new ventures, invest in businesses, and support causes that you are passionate about. You can afford to take risks, knowing that your basic needs will always be covered. You might decide to become an angel investor, supporting startups with not just your wealth, but also your experience and connections. Or perhaps you might choose to contribute to philanthropic causes, using your wealth to make a positive impact on the world. Financial abundance can also provide you with the opportunity to create generational wealth. You have the ability to set up your descendants for financial success, providing them with a strong financial foundation from which they can build their own wealth. But it's important to remember that with great wealth comes great responsibility. It's not just about accumulating wealth for the sake of it, it's about using that wealth wisely to create opportunities and positive change. Financial abundance is the pinnacle of wealth. But remember, wealth is not just about money. It's about the freedom it provides, the opportunities it opens up, and the positive impact it can have on your life and the lives of others. It's about living a life of abundance, not just in terms of money, but in terms of experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Wealth is not just about money. It's about the freedom to live your life on your own terms. Let's think about it. If wealth was solely about the accumulation of money, we would all be striving to be billionaires. But that's not the case. We all have different aspirations and goals, and our definitions of wealth reflect that. For some, wealth may mean having enough money to take care of their loved ones without worrying about the bills. For others, wealth could mean having the financial stability to take that dream vacation without worrying about the budget. Or maybe for some, wealth is about having the freedom to quit that 9-to-5 job and start that business they've always dreamed of. You see, wealth is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a deeply personal definition that's unique to each of us. It's about more than just dollars and cents. It's about peace of mind, security, and the ability to live our lives the way we want to live them. But don't get me wrong, money is still a crucial part of the equation. After all, it's hard to feel wealthy when you're living paycheck to paycheck. But it's not the only thing that matters. Wealth is about more than just financial independence. It's about personal independence too. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and aspirations. So, as we've journeyed through the levels of wealth, remember that the ultimate goal is not just to accumulate more money. It's to achieve a level of wealth that allows you to live your life on your own terms. Whether that's financial stability, security, independence, or abundance, it's up to you to define what wealth means to you. So, what does wealth mean to you? It's a question worth pondering as we navigate our own financial journeys.